Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So this morning I was sitting there watching The Handmaid's Tale with my partner Nate and my friend Brittany, and we heard this little knock at the door. Well, I opened it up and here are two giant boxes from NYX Professional Makeup. I wasn't expecting that today, so obviously I jumped into the shower, I scrubbed all the dirt off my body, and now I'm here filming. Okay, so I'm not gonna f around, let's just rip this thing open. Okay, so I started with the little box because it has the NYX Face Awards logo on it. Gonna put my tool down. Okay, immediately I see this. We hope you enjoy these goodies brought to you by NYX Professional Makeup and our amazing sponsors. Rad. I like this. It's not even a gift and I like it. By Redken. Leave your mark. 5th Avenue, New York City. Alright, 5th Ave. Ooh, Frizz Protection Factor. Okay, guys, I was bald recently and I've been growing my hair back, but it's thin and poopy, so it gets like frizzy on the end, so I'm definitely gonna give this a try. Thermal Setting Mist. Heat Styling Thermo Active. Yes, I also style wigs, so this should be rad too. Let's... Giving is beautiful. Giving is power. True. We are excited to share these Yobi goodies in hopes to give you the power to win the 2018 Face Awards. And what's even more powerful is that these 3 items give 3 essential school supplies to a kid in need right here in the US. I love that. Remember, the power to win is within you, and we are cheering you on. You better have an Instagram. Yes, you do. I'm gonna be following you. Oh, I needed a new calendar. A cactus pen cup. I love cactuses. That's like one of my most favorite things I love about living in California is all the cacti. Oh, and this cacti cork board organizer? This is like Christmas in May. Actually, it's funny, my birthday's in a couple days, so this is like a huge birthday present. Kits. We are what we repeatedly do. I really like that saying. This box here. You're a pro! Guys, this is amazing. Small bun forms, wig pins, hair pins. This will all come in handy because I style wigs on the reg, so this came with everything. Elastic bands, bobby pins, wig pins. This is insane. Try to keep everything organized. Before I open anything else up, I just need to say, whenever I got the call from the NYX Professional Makeup team saying that I made it in the top 30, I just need to apologize to you guys real quick. I probably sounded like the biggest buffoon on earth. I was just so excited. Like, this is such a good opportunity. Just ecstatic to be a part of it with you guys. Now back to the unboxing. This was from Powder Room. Powder D Room. Powder D. I know I probably shouldn't swear, but yeah, this is... 2 wig caps and a new wig. Powder Room D. There we go, perfect. $10 off your next purchase. I'll definitely be purchasing something from you. And I got this cool wig. It's a lace front too. I am just ecstatic. Hey.
Hi! Oh no!
I'm filming.
I know. Oh no, don't put a snippet of me in this like you did for that other person.
I might have to. I am.
You're the worst.
I am. I know.
Alright.
I love you.
Alright, love you too, honey. Bye!
Bye. I'm so pumped. Ooh, this box is a heavy one. I'm sorry, I suck at pronouncing, but I believe this is Vichy. Hashtag purity is potency. Ooh, look at this box. Why Mineral 89 is the best for strong, healthy, makeup ready skin. Each drop is powered by Vichy's... God, I hope I'm saying that right. This looks so awesome. I can't wait to rub this all over my body. I'm definitely gonna dive into this a little bit later, but we still have a lot to go through. Ooh! What is this? Target. I love Target. Vanilla Orchid. Perfume with essential oils. Yes. My brother needs to smell good. Ooh, that smells really good. And it's cute as hell, just like me, sometimes. You know, when I actually do my face. You didn't know a brother could do makeup, did you? Well, I can. Ah, this is the end of the first box. Thank you. I'm struggling. Clarisonic. Get out. Clarisonic, guys, congratulations on making the top 30. Now you can enjoy a gentle and effective cleanse at home or on the go, as well as seriously flawless finish with the Sonic Foundation Brush. Look at this. This is so cool. And it came with these 2 different heads. I don't even know what to say. This is happy birthday to me. Thank you guys so much. I just want to use all of this all at the same time. Wow, first box done, and I'm completely speechless. Let's continue. Let's continue the magic. I got my knife, be careful. This one is heavy, so I'm not gonna be able to pick it up and put it into camera view, but here we go. Boo Boo, did Daddy get presents? Are you so excited? Yes, yes. Oh my goodness. Do you wanna go through the second box? Yes? We're gonna open the second box. The NYX Professional Makeup Specialty. Okay guys, so I just opened up the first box and all of the SFX cream colors from NYX Professional Makeup. I just want, there's so many. Also, I just want to throw out there that this is my first unboxing video, so if I sound like a complete dill hole, it's my fault, I'm sorry. But look at this. Ooh, NYX lips. Holy cow. The NYX Liquid Sway Cream Lipstick in all of these shades. The NYX hashtag This Is Everything Lip Balm. We'll dig into some of those right now. Refreshing. Powder Puff Lippies. Look at all of this. Like, what am I gonna do with all of this? I'm gonna do some that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, because I've been looking for a nude lip. Holy, so nice. I'm feeling myself. It looks really good. Can I wear nude lips every day? I'm a mess. NYX Tools. Funny, that's what people call me, a tool. Just kidding. So this is gonna be my face every time I open up a box, just a pure shock. Okay, Brittany, my friend and I, we were struggling to get this eyeliner to sharpen because my sharpener shit, so this is perfect. I'm glad this is the first thing I pulled out of my box. Be gone. The second best part about doing makeup, taking it off. Ooh, makeup brush cleaner. Look at all of these brushes. I know I keep saying this, but this is like the best birthday present I could ask for. Thank you, NYX Professional Makeup. Brush cleaning pad. These powder puffs. Blending sponges, perfect. Yo. God, I'm a mess. This is so nice. Eyes. Okay guys, I don't even know if this is fitting into frame right now, but there's so much stuff. Yo, NYX killing it with the lashes. Okay, I see you. These are wicked. Well, literally, they're wicked lashes. A whole bag of shadows. Ah, yes, this white jumbo eye pencil. I love these. Not just for going under your eye, but mapping stuff out whenever you're doing your makeup. This black one too. Yo, y'all are killing it with the names. Hella fine, hells yeah. On the dot, these are super edgy, super sketchy. Wow. These vivid brights are catching my eye, so let's take a look. Yeah. Gel pencil liners, micro brow pencils in 4 different shades. We have like 60 different shades of pomade. Just kidding, there's 4, but there might as well be 60. I don't even want to take anything like out of their little wrappings. They look so nice. 3-in-1 brows, yes. The brows are like the staple of my face because it breaks up my giant forehead from the rest. These will definitely come in handy. Love you so mochi! Is it possible to use all of this at one time? Because that's what I want to do. These, I'm gonna have to do something with this. I love these colors. Thank God for editing, because if you had to watch me struggle to open all of this stuff, it'd be awful. Love the screen. I want that all over my face. All over my face! When you want to look a little like Kim K, we got this NYX Professional Makeup Ultimate Shadow Palette. Warm neutrals and cool neutrals. Face! Alright guys, I've already committed, so here we go. Look at all of this. Did I wipe my brow off? Holy cow. My makeup station just grew like 50 times, so this is insane. Alright, let's put this down and go through it. Really though, did my brow come off? So I got the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Finishing Powder, the NYX Mineral Set It and Don't Fret It, Light Medium and Medium Dark. I like these. Born to Glow. Liquid Illuminator. Highlight your beauty. Lightweight liquid illuminator that gives skin refreshed glow and beautiful highlight. How to use. Wear alone or pair with makeup to instantly highlight and enhance wherever it is applied. Alright, I'm about to outglow Rihanna, so you better watch out, girl. Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer. Got a couple blushes. Conceal Correct Contour. I do have some hyperpigmentation, so this green color will come in great. Ooh, some setting sprays. Matte finish spray. I have some of the oily, oh my god. I have some of the oiliest skin you'll ever see, so let's map it. I got this HD Studio Concealer. I actually had this one. I used it all the time. I loved it. Now I have like 12 different shades, so. Got you covered concealer. We've got a magnitude of blushes. Got a matte bronzer. Legit, I held it up and showed you, but there's like legit every single shade of foundation that you could ever think of. It always sucks when you go to Ulta or Sephora and you're trying to tell them your shade and you just can't find it. Well, now I can find it myself with literally every single shade of foundation known to man. We also have the NYX Professional Makeup Highlight and Contour Pro Palette in the creams and the powders. I'm gonna go ahead and say that for my first unboxing video, this is definitely a doozy. I just still can't believe that I was chosen to be in the top 30 of the NYX Professional Makeup Face Awards. NYX Professional Makeup is supposed to be announcing the new challenge tomorrow, so I'm gonna get this video edited as soon as possible and get started on that. Like I've been saying, I have a couple tricks up my sleeve, so I can't wait to dive into all of these products and really see what I can create with. Also guys, just a quick reminder, this competition is completely support driven. So what that means is I cannot do this without you. I need your likes, I need your shares, I need your reposts, I need you blogging all over the place. If you guys want to continue this journey with me and see it all the way to the end, I'm gonna need as much support as possible. You guys have already given me so much and I am so thankful to be able to do this with all of you. But now let's make it happen. So now let's make it happen. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Thanks guys! Alright, I'm out. I'm done. Yay! Good, because I'm swinging the knife around as I'm saying it.
Well.
Don't let me swinging the knife around scare you. I just always have to move my hands and it was the closest thing to me, so let's do this. How about this? Oh, Jesus.